Alrighty, we decided to come out today, brave the weather. Son-in-law Charlie, look here Charlie. We're out here, you can see these waves are kicking. Wind's kicking, blowing. But I'll tell you what, one of the best days we've had fishing in a while. Couldn't find the redfish, couldn't see them for the waves. But we did find a few fish. We've caught trout, probably about 40. Come open this live well, Charlie. And we've got a live well full of keepers. As you can see, they're swimming around there. We've got all of our keepers right now. We're just finishing up the shrimp that we have. Not only have we got a live well full of keeper trout, but my very best open this live well. This bass is going to hit the shrimp, gulp shrimp, bass, extra chicken, right out here on the flat. With about 40 inches with the fork and about 42, 43 overall. Don't have any idea what he weighs, but it's my best. And you can hear the wind howling. We're going to be out here a few more minutes, and then we're going to head to the house. But just goes to show you never know just ahead of these fronts what's going to be biting. Alright, this is Captain John Beatty, Forever Hook Charters. We're on Charlie's Flats boat today out here in this wind, but I'll tell you it has been a blast. We shall talk to you later.